Speak, B-roll, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / phone screen showing PayPal deposit notification pop-up. 5 AI companies paid random people $3,000 last month, and spots are still open. B-roll, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / split screen laptop with AI task platform left, affiliate commission dashboard right, 2 paths, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / AI companies pay you directly, or affiliates cut you in on recurring revenue. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / here's the real math. B-roll, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / Outlier.ai task queue dashboard with hourly rate displayed, Outlier.ai scale AI subsidiary. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / rate AI responses for $15 to $100 per hour. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / Glassdoor median, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / $29 across 1,446 reports. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / coders and doctors land $40 to $100. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / drop your specialty in the comments, I'll tell you your pay tier. B-roll, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / DataAnnotation.tech prompt writing interface, DataAnnotation.tech, same setup, better consistency. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / $14 to $45 hourly. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / $20 million paid out. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / run both platforms, they cover each other when work slows down. B-roll, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / Synthesia avatar presenting corporate training video. Honestly, what surprised me the most was Synthesia's affiliate structure. Break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / 25% recurring commission, 60-day cookie. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / one enterprise referral at $1,000 a month puts $250 in your pocket every billing cycle. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / one client. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / forever. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / sit with that. B-roll, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / Jasper AI brand voice configuration panel, Jasper, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / 30% recurring lifetime commission. 4.7 stars on G2 from 1,200 reviews. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / go after marketing directors, not solo creators. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / that's where conversions actually happen. B-roll, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / Copy.ai GTM workflow automation building outbound email sequence. Copy.ai, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / 30 to 45% recurring on partner stack. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / push this at sales teams running HubSpot or Salesforce. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / the $249 advanced plan is your high value referral target. B-roll, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / 2-column income projection spreadsheet with dollar totals building, honest math, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / $3,000 from Outlier needs 75 hours monthly at coding rates. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / from affiliates, 200 active paying referrals. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / neither is passive. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / both are real. B-roll, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / bank balance counter ticking upward on screen, best play, break time equals end quote. 300 ms end quote / apply to Outlier and data annotation this week for immediate income. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / pick one affiliate, Synthesia for B2B audiences, Copy.ai for sales teams. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / comment labor or affiliate right now, I read every reply. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / all 5 links in the description. Break time equals end quote. 600 ms end quote / subscribe for daily AI tool reviews / speak.